Hello everyone! Welcome to Laura's Dose of Stamping Therapy. It is Columbus Day. So Claire and we actually went to my hometown to our family farm to ride in the combine and enjoy a little bit of nature. So it's been so much fun today. I wish I could ride along. One, the internet is not the best out here. But two, hi Karen! But two, it is so windy out there. Like, I feel like it almost looks like I'm crying, but I think it's just from the wind. But it's so loud and windy. Whenever I was talking to Brad on the phone, he was like, I can't hear a thing. But we had a lot of fun. I'm going to switch this around so you guys can see something that we call a slice of heaven. So here is a field. It's already done. This is a bean field. And that is a tractor with a wagon on the back of it that the Hyladine So, okay, so now it caught up with me. So you can see this is coming from the combine. So the combine empties into here, and then this comes and actually empties into the semi, which the semi is just like a placeholder to be closer to the ground, because down in the middle here it empties the corn, or the beans actually, this is beans, into a hopper that goes up the auger into the grain bin. So that is the operation that we have here. I wish I could show you guys, if you can see way back there, there's another wagon and a tractor, and then that dust cloud is the combine. I wonder if it'll let me zoom in. Ooh, it does. So you can see we were way back there in that giant dust cloud. The combine on the other side of that tractor, and the combine is emptying into that. So we rode around for a little bit and had fun. Oh, there you can see, there's the combine. Whoop, my finger messed it up. Focus. So now you can see both the tractor and the combine once it refocuses. Yeah, Mommy's showing all of her friends. Hi Lisa, welcome. Sorry that this, there it is. Okay, so there's the combine way back there. You can see there's actually two combines. My dad is in one of them and my brother is in the other. But then it's a big family operation, so I have uncles and cousins and everything who are doing all of this around here. So that is a little bit of what Laura's Dose of Stamping Therapy is like today. There's Claire back there. Can you say hi to our friends? She is probably ready to pass out, as nap time was an hour and 22 minutes ago. And we were in the combine and having fun. And we brought them all cookies and bottles of water, which were gone before we ever even got started. So that was just the fuel to start the day. The moisture content of the green beans, the soybeans, was a little high, so that's why we waited a little bit longer in the day to be able to start harvesting. But I'm sure that they will be continuing to harvest. Actually, beans they can't harvest too late into the evening because the moisture content again goes high as that dew sets in. Hi Beth, welcome Karen, Lisa, all of you guys. I'm so excited to have you guys on so you can see a little bit of my other side of life with my 2-year-old back there, and of course our family farm. So we are headed back home now. And I hope this video wasn't too choppy and crazy. I'm going to flip it back around. You guys can watch the little, the tractor go away. So that tractor's leaving and headed back to the field in the back there to fill up again from the combines. That walk, I was like, oh, it's no big deal. Me and Claire can do it. Claire loves to walk. I swear that road was like a mirage. It just went on and on and on. And while I was talking to Brad on the phone, there was a little bitty snake on the one side of the road, and we just moved to the other side and kept on walking. I am not a fan of them, but didn't want to say much. So there's an empty field. Yep, we're up in Carrollton, time with family and enjoying the nature and everything. Like I said, it is so windy out there. Like this morning it was like chilly because it was cloudy and rainy, and the wind actually like caught your breath. It was so windy, but it is now it's hot and sunny. It's so crazy. The grain bins, and you can see there's actually corn in this field on this side of me, and then the beans are already, but there's a big grain bin and another big grain bin. And then you can see this grain bin's got the auger because that's the one that they're filling up. It's raining there. Yeah, it's raining. Where are you again, Teresa? The rain has been kind of crazy. Are you out in that band that's getting hit by Hurricane Delta? Because I'm sure that's a complete washout for sure. But yeah, I am going to get on the road and everything and get some more water for the little who's asking for more. Can you say hi?
Hi. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends. So I just thought I would jump on because I didn't want to miss a moment of Laura's Dose of Stamping Therapy, Long Island, New York. So I think it is probably a little bit of Delta maybe, but otherwise the weather has been crazy. Yeah, my hair, I can't even comb my fingers through it because it was being battered everywhere because it's so windy. I almost wanted to still do some video for all of you guys, but just take the sound out of it and talk over it, later and do some editing, which I might still do because I took so many pictures and stuff. So yeah, I will share some of those of us in the combine so that you can experience. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. More water. Okay, I will get you some in just a moment. Okay. Can you tell your friends bye? Bye. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and we'll be back in the stamp room stamping on Friday for Laura's Dose of Stamping Therapy at 12:15. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Happy Columbus Day, and I will see you guys all later. Love, hugs, and prayers. Bye-bye.